articles. In the previous videos, we have already discussed the article a and, which are indefinite articles. Today, I am going to discuss about the article the, which is called a definite article. Why is the called a definite article? Because it speaks about a particular person or a particular thing. It points out a particular person or a place or a thing. Shall we start? Let's see the rules that is applicable for using the article the. Shall we start? The articles use of the. As I have already discussed, the is a definite article, and let's see how you can use the before a word. The is used before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountains, holy books, newspapers, well-known buildings. Okay, the is used before the nouns, before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, buildings, newspapers, holy books, and mountain ranges. Now I will give you one example for each where the is used. Okay. Now for example, rivers. When we are talking about rivers, for example, Ganga. We don't say Ganga. We say the Ganga. The Ganga. Because we are speaking only about the river Ganga in particular. So we use the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra, the Krishna. Okay, these are some of the examples where the is used before the names of the rivers. Seas and oceans. Okay, now I'll give you examples for seas and ocean. The Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal. Okay, these are the names of the sea. When I say ocean, it may be the Indian Ocean. Okay. Now, mountain ranges. The mountain ranges. When we say about the mountain ranges, we can say the Himalayas. The Himalayas. The Himalayas. Now, the holy books. It may be Quran, it may be Bible, it may be Bhagavad Gita. Okay. So, when we are speaking about the holy books, we say the Gita, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana. Okay. Now, next, newspapers. When we are saying the names of newspapers, for example, the Deccan Herald, the Times of India, the Prajavani. Okay. So, these are some of the examples where the names of newspapers. When we say the names of a newspaper, we write the article the before such names. Okay. For example, well-known buildings. Well-known buildings may be the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, the Lotus Mahal, okay, the Vidhana Sauda. So when we are talking about the famous buildings, we add the article the Vidhana Sauda, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Right? Shall we proceed to the second rule of the article used? Okay. Second rule, we use the before a common noun, which are names of things unique of their kind. Unique of their kind. In the first rule, we saw the names before the names of a particular thing or a particular person. In the second rule, we use the to denote things which are very unique in nature. For example, sun, God, sky. So we add the article the before such words. For example, the sky, the God, the sky. Okay, the is added before a word when it is very unique. For example, sun, God, sky. Well, hope you have understood. Shall we move to the third rule? The is used before adjectives in the superlative degree. Okay, as we all know, there are three degrees of comparison. One is the positive degree, the comparative degree, superlative degree. When we talk about the positive degree, we are speaking only about one thing. When we are talking about a comparative degree, we are comparing two things or two persons. When we speak about superlative degree, we are talking more than two things or about more than two or more persons. Okay? So here we use the when we are talking about the superlative degree. Okay? For example, giraffe is the tallest animal. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Superlative, you see. Positive degree is tall. Comparative, taller. The third degree is the superlative degree. Tallest. When we are speaking about the superlative degree, we should add the article the tallest. Well, let's go to the next rule. Before a singular noun, the is used before a singular noun to indicate a whole class. We are speaking about a singular noun to indicate the whole class. For example, dog. All the dogs are very faithful. They are very honest. So when we take up the class of the dogs and we are talking in a singular noun, we say the dog. The dog is a faithful animal. Okay? That resembles the whole class of the dogs. The dog is a faithful animal. The fox is a cunning animal. The fox is a cunning animal. Hope children you have got it. Shall we move to the next one? The is used before the names of nations and race. Okay? Before the names of nations and the race. For example, Hindus, English, French, Dutch, Muslims. When we speak such words, we use the Hindus, the English, the British, the French, the Dutches. Okay? So we add the article the before the names of nations and race. We are talking about the nation and the race. Right? Shall we go to the next one now? The is used before an adjective. You know what is adjective? It describes a noun. Okay? Before an adjective, when the noun is understood. Okay? We use the before an adjective when the noun is understood. For example, the rich should help the poor. The rich should help the poor. Okay? Here we add the before these words rich and poor. Rich and poor is an adjective. Okay? These are the rules that has to be used when we are using the article the. If you want to watch more topics on grammar, you can watch my videos by subscribing so that you may get intimation as new videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching.